I'm Charlotte Wilcock, the Project Development Officer on the Regeneration team at Flintshire County Council, working on the delivery of Project 8, Communications and PR. Within the project, we had a target of 2 projects to be delivered, and we've surpassed that with 8 overall, including social media project to look at exploring Flintshire and the best bits, to highlight the benefits of the town and what's around in our local areas. An Explore Flintshire film, again to look at what's available in the local area, looking at the best bits, how the towns link to each other and also the wider areas. And also a placemaking plan film, bringing together the work of the placemaking plan for our key stakeholders so they can understand the work of placemaking and what that includes and how that benefits them and their communities. And we've also been working to deliver social media engagement so people are aware of our placemaking plan opportunities to engage with us on our digital platforms, and also of the work that's going on with our other projects in the programme.
I'm Leah Butler, the Strategic Client Services Manager for the Give My View team at Landtech. Give My View is an engagement platform that allows public authorities or decision makers to gather the opinions from their communities and collect a wealth of data. The whole purpose is to reach more members of the communities, allowing as many people as possible to have a say on the topics that are important to them. Social media activation is an important part of the process with the projects that we've been running with FCC to ensure that we can amplify the reach and speak to as many people as possible. This part of the process has always sat within our marketing team here at Give My View, and this allows for FCC to benefit from the expertise of our team so they can create ads and copy that are bespoke, relevant and familiar to the communities that we're activating in. And this helps us to maximise the engagement where possible. The FCC team have final approval of the targeting and creatives that we propose, and we will work with them to ensure that the message that they're trying to portray is done in an engaging way. The FCC team will regularly receive updates on the status and the progress of the campaigns, as this has a direct impact on the numbers of respondents that they receive. The way in which we have collaborated with FCC has been very positive. What we've found whilst working with FCC is that they really understand the impact and the benefit of a strong social media campaign, which is something that not all of our clients understand in the same way that FCC do. We've built a really strong relationship with the team at FCC, which allows for real smooth communication and collaboration across all aspects of the project, including the social media setup and activation.
I'm Meg from Animated Technologies, and we have been working with the Flintshire team on a placemaking animation to tell the general public and community stakeholders everything that placemaking is about and how all the data that's collected, information from the services, what facilities they have, all come together to inform the future plans to help better serve the community and to keep serving them over time. Within the animation, we've used really simple graphics. We've shared a diverse range of community members to make sure that people feel represented, and hopefully this helps it to connect to the audience in a really effective way to make sure that they understand what placemaking is and how it impacts them.